Good day, class. I trust you are all doing well.
Day, sir. We're all doing well.
You are all warmly welcome to biology class. Feel comfortable and be attentive. Welcome to the amazing world of biology, where we study about living things, their processes and role in the environment. Imagine you are a detective trying to solve a mystery. You arrive at the scene and find a tiny drop of water. But, as you look closer, you discover a whole new world teeming with life. What do you think you might find in that drop of water in the scene? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of biology together.
Then this gonna be super exciting to explore biology and its diverse fields.
Class, in your mixed ability groups, think, pair, share the definition of biology.
So biology is the study of living things.
Yes, you are right. The term biology is actually obtained from the combination of two Greek words, that is, bios, which means life, and logos, which means study or knowledge. So literally biology means the study of life or living things.
Wow, that's so interesting. Easy to understand and remember.
Yes, that's true, Betty, but there's more to that. Now, based on this idea, construct a comprehensive and detailed definition of biology. Yes, Sammy.
Sir, biology is the branch of natural science that deals with the study of living things, their structure and functions, as well as their interactions with their environment.
Wonderful. Let's clap for him. Very good. That clearly explains what biology is about. It's actually the study of all living things, their structures, functions and life processes, and how they interact with one another and the entire surrounding. You've all really done well. This brings us to the end of our first lesson and objective for today. In our next lesson we'll discuss the various branches of biology. Until then, keep reading your learner materials and subscribe to SMBCONSULTS YouTube channel for more exciting lessons like these. Bye, see you all in our next lesson. Bye.
Bye bye, Sir Michael.